Okay, so one more thing left to do here now is I want to put on a bit of lettering on this here. You see that says super speed on the front of this here. Should have mentioned, I suppose, in that last one we could have taken the wee cut out of it. I'm not going to bother. It's up to you if you want to do that there. But this here now, we would need a bit of writing on the bonnet, I suppose, of it. Check here, we'll go to sketch, pick the surface on the face of the extrude, hit normal 2, then go up to this text tool here. I'm going to draw out a line here where I'm going to do a little bit of texting. And now it's kind of, I'm just going to write in the letters speed all capital, because there's it's a wee bit limited on the text here in the area that you'll have for this. You could take it down to super speed, but it seems to automatically change the sizes of that there from the heights and that can and I think that is to do with when they're using printers and that there that can take up an awful lot of the memory of the computer then when it's trying to print that out. So I've got this word here, I can move that around freely. Roughly looks fairly good there in the center. Take the measure tool and I'll make that something like 30. Come in from the end here, whatever, 4 or 5, 4 I'd say. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a distance from the bottom of that to the edge. Now that looks pretty good to me and it's all defined. So once you have your letters in there and it's on the surface of that there, this can also be done on the curved surfaces too. So I'll just put it to sketch as text. And when you have a text like that, then you can operate with that there and the features, whatever it is that you want to do. So I'll click that. Oh, that's picked up the background, so that's not what I want. Click on the white space here. Escape. Go back to this here. So select the text. See, now this could be a problem, because I think it's picking up the back. No, it's picked up that. That's okay. So I'll go something like 0.5 and I want to remove it from this here. So it's heading the opposite direction, so it's cutting down into the surface. And again, I'll rename that. And there we have the cut. That seems to be too far into that. So you edit that there, extrude text. So that's too far. Mustn't have changed the depth of that. Yeah, 1.5. It's more like it. So now, when we want to add a few appearances on this here, might as well reference the original. The boat part is yellow. This here, so we head to the appearances. You can see there it's kind of a blue color. Pick that and we'll make it some kind of a yellow. It's not a great yellow. Go with that. I'll OK that. So that's simple enough. Part 2 is the upper part. I think it's red. So pick that. Don't know why that's going over so far. Double click it, change it to red, OK that. Now, something I did notice, the aerial has actually changed colour here, so just edit that loft. I think it's merged it with it. I don't want it to merge path. Yeah, it's up here, it's add, so it should be new. So, OK that. And we'll see if that can give us, part 3. Some kind of a silvery colour for the aerial. And the nose is whatever colour, it's red. It has a yellow inside, but so we could actually do that there. I'm after clicking on that and I shouldn't. Double click that, make it red and OK it. Now for the other ones then, we might want to make this the windscreen, just that surface. So if I click the surface and I click plus appearance at the top, I can change that to a black for the one screen and OK that. I'll be doing that again, so you'll see this now. If I click on the inside of each of these here, and I'll spin it around, do the same thing, and I go up to add appearance. You can see it's a sub-heading of the first particular part, and that should be red. OK that. And the only thing then left for me is the lettering. So let's just make sure I get the inside of the lettering here, going pretty close to it. I see I've hit something else there now. Yeah. You might be able to select it from the design tree, just not sure on that there. Add appearance. It's on a grey, and I want to get it some kind of yellow that I used here. Something close to it. And that is the boat model now. You've got your appearances, your linear pattern, your loft, your text. There's quite a bit on that there. And if I wanted to have it more like the original there too, I could actually put that little feature on the top of that, take it out and make it yellow as well too. So it'll be closer to this original design here. But I'm kind of happy enough with that there, to be honest. And it's one of the shorter parts of the video.